welcome back. Today's video is a cook and clean with me, and I am so excited because today I am actually collaborating with another mommy YouTuber. Her name is Anna Chung. She makes videos on motherhood, lifestyle, beauty, vlogs. She has a very cute 14-month-old baby boy named Cody, and she's also 12 weeks pregnant with baby number 2, and I'm so excited for her. She will also be doing a cook and clean with me video. She is actually sharing a Korean recipe. So once you are done watching this video, be sure to check out her video. I will have her video linked down in the description box below. She has great style. She has an awesome sense of humor. She makes me laugh in every single video. So I know you guys will definitely love her. Also congratulate her. I think she just found out that she was pregnant like 3 weeks ago. So it's so exciting, and also subscribe to her channel. And if you're coming from Anna's channel, I wanted to say welcome. My name is Kim. I am 32. I'm also a mom. I have 2 little boys, Riley and Dylan. I am also married to my husband Nick for almost 10 years now. I make videos on lifestyle, cooking, cleaning, vlogs, shop with me hauls, a little bit of everything. When you come to my channel, you're definitely going to see a lot of beach vlogs for this summer. We went to the beach a little bit too much. We actually live not too far from the beach, about 5 hours from Florida, so we love driving down, taking the kids and drive down to Florida for like a day or 2. And I love vlogging it and sharing my experiences with you guys, and also it's nice to have some memories for the kids. They love watching all the videos. But I will definitely be having more videos coming soon on my channel, so I hope you like what you see and you subscribe. So without further ado, let's get cooking.
So for this recipe, all you need is chicken, scallions, garlic, shallots, soy sauce, chicken bouillon, which is optional, salt, sugar, pepper, and 5-spice powder. Here I'm using Publix Green-Wise chicken thighs. You can use any chicken you'd like, I just prefer thighs. After I clean the chicken, I like to cut 2 cuts in each thigh so the marinade can penetrate more into the chicken so that it's more flavorful. Now I'm going to start preparing the marinade. I'm going to cut the end parts of the scallion, basically the white part, and I'm going to do the same for the shallots and the garlic, and then I add it to the food processor. The green part I'm going to cut and put it to the side to make scallion oil to top the rice when it's ready to serve. Once I'm done blending, I add it to a small bowl, and this is when I add the rest of my ingredients for the marinade. I will have all the ingredients with measurements down in the description box below. Here I am adding the 5-spice powder. In Vietnamese it is called bột ngũ vị hương, and this is what makes this recipe so special. It adds so much flavor. You don't even need to add a lot. A little bit goes a long way. And now you just cover it up and leave it in the fridge overnight.
The next day.
So now I put about a tablespoon of oil, and once it's hot, I put the chicken skin down. And I don't like to waste, so whatever I have left of the marinade, I just pour it over the chicken. I tend to forget about the rice, so once I remember, I always try to cook the rice first. So once you fry both sides of the chicken, this is when you add Coco Rico. It's basically a coconut flavored soda. It tastes so good. It makes everything taste so much better. You can use any type of vegetable for this dish. My kids just love broccoli dipped in soy sauce. So while everything is cooking, I like to go get a head start on cleaning. Here, Dylan and I are emptying the dishwasher. He loves to help me around the kitchen.
all smell good, Dylan?
Yeah.
Yeah, it smells so good.
So here I am loading up the dishwasher. I hate it when there are dishes in the sink, so when I get the chance, I like to go ahead and just clear out as much as I can. Whatever I can't put in the dishwasher, I'll go ahead and wash it by hand. So the chicken is almost done, so I asked Dylan to go ahead and help me clear the table, and I went ahead and closed the blinds, and once I closed the blinds, the color changed, so I'm sorry about that darkness, but Dylan loves to wipe down the tables, as you can see. So for the scallion oil, I just add a little bit of oil and I mix it up really well. Then I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Remember to cover it so it doesn't explode. Here I'm just using a plate.
You've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no,
11:27. I'm so tired. I'm so happy that I got everything done. Today's dinner was a success. I was afraid that I was gonna burn it because you know the pressure of filming it. I was afraid I was gonna burn it, but it turned out even better than I did the last time. So I really hope that you enjoy this recipe. Try it. I'll definitely put the ingredients and everything down below in the description box, but I'm so tired and I'm ready to go to bed. Good night, y'all.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh. 'Cause you will always be